wipe down the outside of the fridge. Usually a lot of stuff gets sticks. We just put a lot of stuff, but I also clean that out. What do we have to keep and what we don't. And then at the side, we still got a lot of things hanging that we just want to remember, dates, stuff like that, blah 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 blah. And on top, we've got just 2 of the empty, which we used at our wedding, New Year's, and then a medicine little box with all our medicines and everything. Yeah, so that's just basic. And then opening it up, which obviously I've been organizing. So starting from the top. I've got 2 little bins. They're actually all just square bins, which I really like. The first one I've got in is bread. Just a half a loaf of bread. We like doing half loaves and then freezing in the other half, and then that's how we rotate. This drawer, I didn't really know where to put this, so I just put it in their own. It's like lemon juice and some vitamins for Luca. So that's at the top. Then we've got an easy slide drawer, which we don't often use sliding, but it's just easy to take out, I guess. But we've got all our juices here. So we've got our fruit juices here. This is all fruit juice. Then we've got lemonade, and then I've got, I don't know, I bought like very impulsive buy. I bought vinegar, but a big one, and it's not, I can't put it in the door, so it has to lay down. That's perfect for that. Then we've got everything to make sandwiches. So you've got your butter, I put the cheese in a little bag, some cream cheese and some jam, everything that, and some, we often have ham and stuff like that also in here. Then I've got a little fruit basket, which is only the fruits go in here, or if it's getting really bad or really hot in the house, or like lemons and stuff like that, which we make juice out of. So that's the only thing that we keep. The rest we keep on our dining room table. Then I've got 2 closed bins. This really rotates as stuff that I've opened, packages that I've torn, stuff like that I'll put in here. For now we've got carrots in here, which I still have to wash for tomorrow. And then I've got, yeah, I think you saw that previously, I don't know, it's pears. Oh, the door's just beeping. So I've got 2 containers here, and then this is our vegetable drawer, just with the vegetables that have already been opened and stuff like that. So we've got some leftover cucumber, ginger, yeah, so just a few stuff now. And then going into the drawer, I changed it. I usually had vegetables in here, but it really didn't work because I didn't have an overview. So now we've just got a little container with chocolates. And I've got all my cans here. Then I can see what I've still got left, and it's more overview because you can pull it out instead of something behind there getting lost and then not using it. So that's for the big part. And then this side, the door side, at the top I've just got coughing syrup and stuff. I always buy these in case, and sometimes I just buy them if, why doesn't it focus? Oh, I just buy these, yeah, for kids and stuff like that. Then I've always got these little snack pouches at the top here. Then we've got 6 eggs in here. We usually have more eggs. I'm still gonna try and buy a bigger container for all of them. For now, they're just in the different place, the rest. Then we've got the sauces and everything here. So we've got the mayo, the ketchup, the salad dressing, all that here. And then we've got the big ones, big things here. And that's actually, yeah, that's it. That's an overview. I try and clean this every month before we do the monthly haul. So tomorrow I'll be posting the monthly haul. So that's why I actually cleaned it tonight. Yeah, the one time I clean it, the other time my husband cleans it. It's just it depends, but this time I wanted to really organize it properly with a little basket. So then I just said, you know, I'm just gonna vlog it and show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Have a lovely day.